Welcome to ACE Software Solutions, empowering businesses through smart, simplified software. Introducing ACE CRM, a customer relationship management platform designed with simplicity and power in mind. First, it's built to feel instantly familiar, thanks to its clean, intuitive interface. Second, there's no need to enter the same data twice. ACE CRM autofills, syncs, and links everything, so you can focus on selling, not typing. Third, create and share professional quotes in just a few clicks, using ready-to-use templates. And finally, stay in control by tracking your sales team's performance in real time. Let's dive in. Let's create a new lead in ACE CRM. Start by clicking New Lead. You'll find a product selection option here. If you've already added a product, just select it. If not, head to the product section and add a new one. It's quick and straightforward. Creating a product is quick and seamless. No duplicate entries, no extra click. Once that's done, return to the Leads section and complete the lead creation. With one click, your lead is live, fully connected, and instantly manageable. Your lead is now linked to the product, simple and seamless. Now here's where ACE CRM truly shines. It automatically creates an account and a contact using the lead's details. No repeating data. It's all synced and connected instantly. Next, let's check the Accounts section. As you'll see, the company account is already in place. And under Contacts, the contact is there too, auto-generated and linked. Back in the Leads section, let's assign an activity. Choose between Notes, Meeting, Call, or Email. Let's go with a meeting. You can also upload related documents, keeping everything organized in one place. Now, head over to the calendar. The meeting we just scheduled is already there, helping you stay on top of every task and follow-up. Back in the Leads section, you'll find lead types and statuses. Update them easily, whether it's a cold lead, warm lead, or a converted one. It's fully adaptable to your sales journey, and with smart filters built in, finding leads is effortless. Filter by type, source, or status, even with hundreds of entries. That's the power of ACE CRM. Simple, clean, efficient. No clutter, no confusion. Just tools that work the way you do. Now, let's move on to creating and sharing quotes. Let's now explore one of the most powerful modules in ACE CRM, the Quote section. We begin with the Template tab. Here you can create your own custom quote templates through a simple, intuitive form. Let's take a look at a pre-existing template and its preview to get a sense of how clean and professional it appears. If you've already created a template, you can reuse it anytime. If not, building one from scratch takes just a few minutes. These templates make quoting fast, consistent, and efficient, saving your team valuable time. Next, we return to the Quote section to create a new quote. Enter the necessary details, preview the quote instantly, and with just a few clicks, just fill in the key details, and your quote is good to go. ACE CRM takes care of the formatting, so it's always professional, always ready. No delays, no confusion. You fill, we format. That's ACE efficiency at work. While you're preparing the quote, ACE CRM makes sure everything looks polished, clean, and client-ready. Your quote is ready to go. Now, let's explore the filtering options available here. You can filter quotes by status and other criteria, making it easy to track and manage even hundreds of quotes effortlessly. Once the quote is ready, we update its status from draft to sent. And here's where ACE CRM's automation begins. The moment the status is changed, the system automatically creates a linked opportunity. We move into the Opportunity section to view it. Filters are available here as well. helping you monitor your sales pipeline with clarity. Clicking into a specific opportunity, you'll find several smart options. Apply a discount by clicking on the amount field. Just enter the percentage, add a reason, and hit apply. Adjust the probability of winning the deal as it progresses. Update the expected close date if needed, and record the reason. Updating the close date? Just mention the reason. ACE CRM records everything for complete transparency. Choose the opportunity stage to reflect your current position in the pipeline. ACE CRM also keeps a detailed history. Every discount is tracked, close date changes are logged, ensuring full transparency and accountability. You can also upload documents, assign tasks, and manage everything from one place, keeping your sales journey streamlined and centralized. Once the opportunity is marked, closed, and won, the system takes the next step automatically. An order is generated, without the need for manual creation. In the Orders section, you can filter by status, salesperson, or timeline. Click into any order to view complete details, upload supporting documents, or update its status. When the order is marked as completed, it's automatically reflected in the respective salesperson's revenue dashboard. At the same time, the opportunity is locked as closed and won. The quote is updated to accepted, and the lead is marked as converted, all without any additional effort from your side. That's the power of ACE CRM's automation, from lead to quote to opportunity to order to revenue. The entire sales cycle is handled with precision and simplicity. It's fast, it's intelligent, and it's built for high-performing sales teams. Let's now visit the Sales Team section. Here, you can view all team members, invite new users, and track overall performance at a glance. ACE CRM also displays recent activity logs, including tasks created, scheduled, and completed, giving managers complete visibility into team productivity and progress. Now let's explore what truly makes ACE CRM feel complete: the powerful and intuitive dashboard. Upon entering the dashboard, you're immediately presented with a clean, interactive overview of your entire sales ecosystem. This dashboard is built to provide real-time visibility and control, without any unnecessary clutter. Let's begin with the filters. You can personalize your dashboard view by selecting date ranges, users, teams, and other dynamic conditions. Whether you're a salesperson tracking daily tasks or a manager reviewing monthly performance, you'll always see exactly the data you need, in the way you want it. The dashboard displays lead activity, quote status, sales performance, revenue generation, top performers, and more, all in one consolidated view. Next, let's dive into the Reports section, where ACE CRM truly excels with its flexibility. Here you'll find 6 detailed types of reports, each covering a core area of your sales process. To accommodate different needs, reports are available in multiple view modes. Use the table view for a detailed breakdown. Switch to bar charts for clear visual comparisons, or use the pie chart for quick, at-a-glance summaries. Every report is exportable. Whether you need to download it, share it with your team, or review it offline. You can also filter reports by date, set custom date ranges, and adjust key metrics to gain deeper insights. From tracking weekly conversion trends to quarterly revenue targets, everything is measurable, trackable, and actionable. To save time, ACE CRM introduces scheduled reports. You can schedule each of the 6 reports to run on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Simply assign them to specific users, activate or deactivate with a click, and ACE CRM will deliver the reports directly to the right people, on time. This means no more manual exports, no delays, just timely, automatic updates. This automated reporting system ensures your team remains aligned and informed without any extra effort. Finally, let's take a quick look at the Settings section. Here, users can update organization details, modify profile settings, and configure currency settings, which we'll discuss in the final step. With ACE CRM's dynamic dashboard, customizable reports, and automatic scheduling, you get both the high-level view and granular insights, exactly when you need them. Let's conclude our walkthrough by exploring an essential feature for businesses operating across borders: currency settings in ACE CRM. Within the Settings section, go to Currency to effortlessly add and manage the currencies you work with. If your business operates in multiple markets, you can add any currency you need by specifying currency code, currency symbol, locale, exchange rate. Once added, you can choose a base currency, which will automatically adjust across the CRM, from dashboard metrics to quotes, opportunities, and orders. Let's demonstrate. First, set one currency as your base currency. Instantly, you'll see the update reflected across. Total quote, value pipeline value in opportunities. Total orders overall sales metrics in the dashboard now. Switch to another base currency, and watch as the system seamlessly updates all financial components accordingly. This ensures absolute clarity, no matter what your home currency is. ACE CRM is designed to be adaptable, making it the ideal solution for teams in any country or market. Whether your sales team is local or global, ACE CRM ensures that your numbers always align with the currency that matters most to you. And with that, the full tour of ACE CRM is complete. Thanks for watching.